Hey guys, I am leaving for the beach tomorrow, and by tomorrow I mean like 2:30 a.m. and I haven't packed yet. Thankfully, I've gathered pretty much everything that I'm packing, but I haven't put it all together. So I really need to get to that. We are going to Port St. Joe Beach in Florida to celebrate my husband's 30th birthday. We actually went the same time last year and we're staying at the same Airbnb we did last year as well. It's gonna be me, him, and my mother-in-law. We're all going for a week. We're gonna be there for, well, not a full week. We're going Monday through Saturday. So I need to get everything together. We don't have a ton of plans while we're down there. We are gonna do like rent jet skis, but pretty much other than that, we're just gonna have like relaxing beach days. We are gonna be dining out pretty much for every meal, and then we are going to like a nicer restaurant for his birthday meal. So that's kind of what I'm packing for, super casual for most of the outfits. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, first up, I have my car like travel bag. We are driving down, so this is just everything I want to like keep on me. I have 2 hair clips, and then I have my headphones. These are nothing special. These are just from Amazon that I've had for a couple of years now. I also have my iPad, my Kindle. In here, I have 2 pairs of sunglasses. I cannot be trusted with sunglasses, so I just have some cheap ones from the Dollar Tree. I always like lose or break them, so I have those 2. In this bag, I have the Brazilian 62 body spray, 2 lip products, the Maybelline Lifter Gloss and the Essence Super Peptide, a hand sanitizer, a little hand lotion, and then hair ties and hand sanitizing wipe. Then I also have my wallet, of course, and then the best part, some snacks, some gummy worms and some caramel creams. And then I also have my Digicam. This is the Canon, I forget what this is called, the Canon PowerShot A1200. This is just really good for capturing like some cool like vintagey style, if you can consider like 2010 vintage. It's definitely not, but the photos look older for sure. And then of course, gum. That is everything I'm keeping on me in the car. And then I also threw in my like Lulu belt bag, so that way I can just like throw my wallet in here when we go into like gas stations and stuff. We are gonna stop at Buc-ee's on the way there, because of course. Next, on to clothing. I don't have everything separated by outfit. I just have everything separated by category. So I'm gonna start with bottoms first. First up, I have a pair of biker shorts. I'm definitely going to wear these when we go jet skiing. We're actually doing like, it's kind of like a jet ski tour. They take you to Shell Island, and then also like you see dolphins on the way, wild dolphins obviously. So I'm really looking forward to that. Then I have this Pop Flex pirouette skirt. It has shorts underneath, if you can see them. Yeah, shorts. And I literally bought this skirt because Taylor Swift wore it. Then I have 2 pair of denim shorts. I have some normal denim and I have some gray distressed denim. These are both from Old Navy, and I find that Old Navy shorts really do fit me the best, and I wear these quite often. Then I also have this pair of shorts. They are also from Old Navy, and they're just like that like crinkled, gauzy, soft material. And I do actually have a top that matches with this. It's the same material. I'll show you that in the next category.
Hi, from Editing Me. That clip that I mentioned where I was going to show you the blue shirt that matched those shorts, yeah, that clip does not exist. Either it disappeared into the abyss or I just never hit record, and that's most likely what happened. So just picture a blue shirt that is the same material as those shorts, button down, long sleeve, sleeves rolled up, super cute 2-piece coordinating outfit. And I also showed a black tank top that I was going to wear with the pirouette skirt. So yeah, getting this YouTube channel started out great. So on to the next.
Next, I have 4 t-shirts. I don't think I'm gonna wear all of these, but I'm gonna take them just in case. We're driving down, we're not flying, so it's not like I have to worry about luggage weight or anything. So I'm just gonna take them all just in case. These are all graphic tees. I am not a very stylish gal. One thing about me is I'm always gonna wear shorts, jeans, leggings, and I'm gonna have a t-shirt, okay? So I have this Monaco tee first off. I really like the colors in this. I have this one that has fish on it. Pretty sure these are trout. I have caught many a trout in my life. It's kind of funny. It's like not funny, but it's kind of funny because like there's fish. There's 3 big fish on the shirt. Then I have this plain Old Navy tee, and I have this tennis racket club shirt. It's actually really funny because I have another shirt that says the Rhode Island Tennis Club on it, and I got stopped in the store one day by this lady. She came up to me and she was like, "Oh my God, you played tennis? Tell me about that. Like, you playing tennis in Rhode Island?" With the most deadpan face, I told her, I said, "I bought this at Target." I actually did play tennis when I was in 8th grade, and I was so good. I was so good that they put me with the 4th graders. So, needless to say, I don't play tennis anymore. Now on to some lounge clothes. Definitely overpacking on this. I'm not even gonna show because these are just like old wore out like t-shirts, lounge shorts. Very boring, but I'm gonna need something comfy to change into after we've come back from the beach and I'm showered. I need something cozy to change into. Like I mentioned earlier, we are dining out for every dinner. Every place is casual except for my husband's actual birthday dinner. We are going to a restaurant called the White Marlin, and I'm just taking this dress also from Old Navy. Flowy, it's short, it's cute. Enough said. For bathing suits, I'm only taking 2. Our Airbnb does have a washer and dryer, so if I need to like wash and dry anything, I can do that. I'm first taking this 2-piece blue set. I love this cobalt blue color, and it's like a ribbed material. I really like that one. And then I'm also taking this 1-piece. It's like a 1-piece with like a wrap skirt. It's really flattering, so I'm taking that. And then I also have if I can figure it out, a bathing suit cover up. This is from Kohl's, and it has lemons all over it. Super cute. For shoes, I'm only taking 1 pair of sandals for everything. It's the Crocs strappy sandal. These are super easy to clean. They look cute with a dress. They look cute with a casual outfit. So these are a must. And then I will have my tennis shoes that I'm gonna wear on the drive down. They are my On Clouds. I don't have them with me, but that's what I'm gonna wear. Next, I have my makeup bag, my toiletries, and my little med bag. I really like this. This has come in handy over the years. I got it for free from Target since I bought like Band-Aids or something a really long time ago, but it has come in handy over the years for traveling with vitamins, medicine, first aid supplies. I really have enjoyed it, and it keeps everything nice and compact. This toiletries bag single-handedly has changed my life, and that's not being dramatic at all. My husband got me this a couple of years ago for Christmas, and the way it unzips and folds out, hang on, if I could open it the right way. It has a hook so you can hang it on the back of the door in the bathroom, wherever you're going, and it just actually holds so much and folds up nice and compact. So in here, I just have our like dental supplies, hair care, deodorant, what is that? What is that called? Laundry detergent, good Lord. Body wash, wrinkle release, razor, Q-tips, glasses wipes. It is perfect the way that it folds up and zips. And if this ever goes missing, or if it ever breaks, or if anything ever happens to it, it will be an immediate repurchase for me. Absolutely love this thing. Has single-handedly changed my packing game when it comes to toiletries. Next, I have my makeup bag. This one's really dirty inside, like really dirty. I almost need to get a new one, but I have my hairbrush in here and all of my makeup. The only hair tool that I'm taking is my crimper. I figured there would be no point in taking a curling iron or straightener or like my Dyson air styler, because that Florida humidity is going to make my hair fall out immediately. But I feel like whenever I crimp my hair like I did today, it holds pretty well. I can brush it out and it'll still be wavy, and it'll be cute for the beach. The only downside is that it kind of takes a long time to crimp my hair with this, but it's fine. I also am going to be taking my camera. So I have the Canon RP, and I'm just taking the normal 24-105 lens. And then I'm also going to be taking my 50mm lens if I feel like taking portraits on the beach or something like that. Last year I made my husband take photos of me. Probably will happen again this year. Sorry, Wesley, but I appreciate you. I have trained him to be a very good photographer, actually. Next in my camera bag, I have the DJI Osmo phone gimbal. I'm gonna try to attempt to vlog while we're there. If I do, the vlog will be up on my channel. You can check that out. So I am taking that. You can't go to the beach without taking a beach bag. So I am taking my beach bag that I got when we went to St. Kitts. Bought it from a random guy on the beach. So that's fun. But in here, I just have a bunch of sunscreen. A lot of these bottles are almost empty, so we're just gonna use those up. This one is brand new just in case I run out. And then just taking 2 beach towels. Simple as that. So now that it's a mess in here, I have to put all of this together and pack it so it's ready to load into the car at the bright and early. It's not even gonna be bright and early because it's gonna literally be 2:30 in the morning. It's gonna be dark, so dark and early. Yeah, but now that I have everything laid out, I feel like I'm forgetting something, but that's how I always feel. But at the end of the day, it's not that big of a deal because it's not like we're gonna be out of the country. It's not like we're gonna be on a cruise ship. We're gonna be in Florida. And a mile from our Airbnb is a Dollar General, because of course there is. And if I forget anything, I will be able to just grab it there, I'm sure. Okay, I believe that is everything. If you've made it this far into the video, I appreciate you. I am entering into my vlogging era, so there will be other vlogs to come. We are also going to Disney for Christmas this year, and I am so hyped for that. But I am gonna be vlogging our entire Port St. Joe trip. So if you are interested in that, then feel free to check out the other videos on my channel. And I am so ready for the beach. This was much needed PTO, and I will see you later. Bye.